Why the Firefly Glows. Grade 3 English, Quarter 3, Week 1, Day 1, Revised K-12 Curriculum. A long time ago, there was a little firefly named Lito. He loved flying around the trees in the forest at night. Diwata Kalinaw, the goddess of nature, likes to watch how little Lito enjoys flying from one tree to another. The firefly was small, but he had a big dream. He wanted to have a light like the stars in the sky. One evening, Lito saw the brightest star in the sky. "That star is so beautiful," he said. He wanted to touch it, but the star was too far. He flew higher, but he could not reach it. So Lito went to the wise old owl. "Those stars shine so brightly. How can I have light like that?" he asks, while he points at the group of stars that form shapes like squares, rectangles, and triangles. The owl smiled and said, "Whoo, you must do good deeds, little one. A good heart will make you shine." That night, Lito saw a lost traveler. He saw that he was walking in circles. "That man needs help," he thought. He flew in front of him and showed him the way. The man followed the tiny firefly. He was happy to find his home. In return, the man gave Lito a box of fruit. "Thank you, Lito. Please accept these fruits as you go home." Diwata Kalinaw saw this, and she was moved by Lito's kindness. She whispered a blessing in the wind. Suddenly, Lito felt warm. His body started to glow. "This light is mine," he said happily. From that night on, fireflies glowed in the dark. Question time. Number 1. Did you enjoy reading the story? Which part of the story is the most exciting for you? Number 2. If you were Lito, what would you do to achieve your dream? Number 3. What lesson do you think Lito learned in the end? And number 4. What does the myth tell us about the beliefs and traits of Filipinos?